Professor Ian Mech, you gotta help me. I heard that biochemistry helps farmers make more food that tastes better, which is great. Because I'm so starving.
That's true. Let's see what you know. Come over here to my whiteboard.
Yeah, what you yeah, tiptoeing in my Jordans. I done came down, tiptoeing in my Jordans. Just cop the Porsche, tiptoeing in my phone.
Alright, I know that biotechnology is about using biological processes for the use in industry and other things, also like agriculture. Things that like help make medicine and stuff. Increasing how much they can make, which is great because I'm still hungry.
Very good, young child. This is already being done through gene manipulation.
Wait, what?
Biotechnology has a long history. It says here that Christopher Columbus brought corn from the Native Americans to Europe.
Crossbreeding different plants or crops has been happening for a long time, huh?
Yep, they figured out the different attributes inherited would make their crops bigger, stronger, and tastier.
Tell me more, Professor.
The inheritance happens with genes. A major breakthrough in the biotechnology was to discover the DNA double helix structure. The double helix structure meant that scientists could understand what DNA was made up of and what the rungs in the latter part were made up of.
Wait, so now they could do it even better?
Exactly.
So what is DNA though?
The name DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. The D from the deoxyribo part, the N for nucleic, and the A for acid.
Swag! What is DNA made of?
DNA is made of nucleotides, such as guanine, right here. The nucleotides are the monomers that build up the DNA structure.
That's great, man. Who discovered DNA?
The discovery of DNA was the work of many people, but James Watson and Francis Crick discovered the structure, along with Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins, who did X-ray crystallography.
That is so interesting. Now that I know what the monomer of DNA is, what is the double helix made of?
The double helix is made up of a string of phosphates and deoxyribose sugar. The sugar is connected to bases which make up the rungs. A purine or a pyrimidine.
What is a purine and a pyrimidine?
There are two of each. The purines are adenine and guanine, and the pyrimidines are thymine and cytosine. Adenine pairs with thymine, and guanine pairs with cytosine.
That's cool, man. What are the lines in between the double helix structure?
Those lines are called rungs, and they are connected by hydrogen bonds.
Why do we need to know them, though?
These bonds create unique sentences called genes, the building blocks of life. These sentences tell how to make protein.
Protein, beef, chicken. That just makes me more hungry.
Not exactly. It's a different kind of protein. These each help the cell do their job.
So these purine/pyrimidine bonds give us many different things from plants to the human body?
Yes.
So is DNA like the blueprint to a cell?
Correct.
Thanks, Ian Mech!
Glad I could help. See you later. Wait, little boy.
What?
When was the last time you ate?
About a week ago.
Here you go, little boy.
Thanks, Ian Mech!